Did you know that the longest feathers ever seen were on a chicken in Japan? Wonderful, isn't it? Let me welcome you again to our channel. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. The brown violetear, Colibri delphinae, is a large hummingbird that breeds at middle elevations in the mountains in Central America and western and northern South America, with isolated populations on Trinidad and in the Brazilian state Bahia. The breeding habitat is forest at altitudes, but the brown violetear will spread widely into the lowlands when not nesting. It is replaced at higher altitudes by its relative, the lesser violetear, but their ranges overlap widely. The brown violetear is typically found high in the canopy of the rainforest, tall second growth and coffee plantations, but it will feed at lower levels at edges and clearings. The nest is a small cup of plant down saddled on a twig, into which 2 white eggs are laid. It is mainly dull brown, with a rufous rump and grayer underparts. There is a violet patch running back and down from the eye, a hermit-like malar stripe, and a glittering green and blue throat stripe. The bill is relatively short and almost straight. The female is similar to the male, but has a smaller throat patch. Immature birds have rufous fringes to the upper part plumage, and little or no violet behind the eyes. It on nectar from small flowers of trees and epiphytes. It also takes insects, often caught in flight, hawking, as an essential source of protein. Although not particularly territorial, this species is highly aggressive, and at feeders seems to spend far more time attacking other hummingbirds than actually feeding. Let us take a break. Please get back soon. Thank you.